What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Based Chiko, smooth as ice, twice as nice, and I'm back with another video. This one is a highly requested one, bro. Y'all been telling me to react to Pettyson Daka by my boy, Chef 187. Now, we ain't gonna waste no time. We finna get straight into this. If you're new to the channel, make sure to drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and also comment what other songs you guys want me to react to, and I react to them. It's that simple, bro. Or you can send it to me on my social medias. Let's get it. Let's see what he got.
At times I left my data on, so maybe you can think that I've seen your text there. I've delayed to reply it, but no, that's not what I am. And sorry for leaving you on scene. Just understand that I'm a very busy guy, so my data is all.
Come on, guys, you move very, very, by the way. Alright? Yeah, babalanda taba very, very. Alright? Drop a like.
Always on, always
on the track. Woody beats go crazy.
Okay, I like the beat off the rip. Hold on. Oh, this one of those. He finna go crazy.
I took a photo with the president. Chela Bing, Chela no ifumia. Kwena meno abanefsela yadi puma. Mshafe Cliolo, Bobby Valentino. Kwaba marapas, then kwaba Talentino. Mo PF tumpa. Busy na.
I like that. I like that. Guys, I like that's Kwaba my rappers, then Kwaba Talentino. Like, it's levels to this thing, bro. Alright, it's different levels.
My antics, kado kusavika loko shop ya mu antizad. Wow yo, dale sapotage pani.
Wait, what? Hold on.
Bobby Valentino, kwaba marapas, then kwaba Talentino. Mo PF tumpa, busy na my antics. Kado kusavika loko shop ya mu antizad. Wow yo, dale sapotage pani. Wada biyo yo, danu kusavote fitwani. Kembo kembale sang.
Nah. What? Atwa Kimbo ba de tumpa sana muna ba PF ka? Yadi kaba zone after PF zone. Balungu match that shiny. Look, bro, this is nuts. Look, it's crazy though with Chef. It's like his Bemba, bro, is so deep. Like, Bemba is my first language besides English, bro. Even though I'm Tumbuka, Bemba is my first one. And bro, the deepest word I know in Bemba is probably like Omukashana or Omulumendo, which is what? Uncle or auntie, if I'm not mistaken, or right? Something like that. That's probably the longest word I know. I never like learned how to write Bemba. I just spoke it at home. We mainly spoke English and Bemba back and forth. So this man's vocab is deep, bro. It's crazy.
Ngwanama yo balendisa apati sobe mu album yandisa na konkanyapo bifi pitidize time ya mariko sao chifi setidibe teacher high.
Bro, what? No, we gonna be pausing every other bar because god damn, who is this and this man and now wants to be on the album or wants him to be on the album? Like, what's going on back home, bro? How y'all sneak this in niggas and then y'all want to rock with them when it's time to shine? Like, come on, man. We gotta keep it real out here.
Tisobe mu album yandisa na konkanyapo bifi pitidize time ya mariko sao chifi setidibe teacher high school said in the chikopo lero alomba zali ya fukopo kuchikopo bolo kwa baba.
Oh my god, that's bars. Hold on. I don't think Muneon fight it under, guys. Hold on. Just listen, bro. Listen. What?
If you said TDB, teacher high school said in the chikopo. Lero alomba zali ya fukopo kuchikopo.
Teacher in high school said in the chikopo. Lero alomba zali ya fukopo kuchikopo. Like, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, gang. This nigga is a lyrical genius. This nigga is crazy. What am I listening to? Explosion, nigga. You deserve another one, bro. What in the world? I would have never thought to say that. I don't know how you, what? Hey, it be like that, though. It be like that. It hit different, Chef. Tell him it hit different when you make it and can shit on those teachers that told you you weren't going to be nothing. Talk to them. Lela lombazali ya mkopo kushikopo. Lela lombazali ya mkopo kushikopo.
Dibe, teacher high school said in the chikopo. Lelo alombazali ya fukopo kuchikopo. Bolo kwa papa, follow kwa muchikoko. And until this day I lay, laughing at my choco. No more Mr. Nice, no more Mr. Nice. Feeling bande wish, tell me what's the price. Pampo king a daily, bonfe femi sula. Pampo king a daily, bonfe femi sula. Pettyson Daka, Pettyson Daka. Pettyson Daka, Pettyson Daka. Pettyson Daka, Pettyson Daka. Pettyson Daka.
Hold on. By the way, for those y'all who don't know, Pettyson Daka is Pettyson Daka. He's a soccer player. He plays for the Zambian national team. He plays for Leicester City too. That boy is fast. That boy moves like a Chipolo Polo bullet. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't know, now you know, buddy.
Pettyson Daka. Yamale for Swedish, I couldn't make a plan. Made a finger to everybody that owe me money. Ngola second if
no cap it. You know what? I'm not even gonna do that, bro. I just want my money back. I'm not even gonna give you the middle finger, bro. I want my money back.
Made a finger to everybody that owe me money. Ngola second if Luane initially Luani. No man you to black or white you lay and nani. Break up with you lelo mailon desa senda bomba. Nakupele fintu nakupele fiance longa. The try finya the kwaba she a bad body.
Just take everything with you. Nakupele fintu fiance longa. Fuck is you talking about?
Fiance longa, the try finya, the kwaba she a bad body. She say ba couple ma fontini, that's a red flag. Damn on TV non stack on.
Talk to them. She said ba couple ma fontini, that's a red flag. Talk to them. Yes sir. Let them recognize, bro. Y'all gonna put some respect on the copper belt, bro. Put some respect. You know what's crazy? I lived in Kawe, born in Kawe, and I never went to the Copper Belt. I always went, well, how I always went left to Lusaka. I never went right. The only time I went right was to my boarding school, which was still in Kawe. So I never went to Ndola, I never went to none of that. I went all the way left though to Lusaka, Livingston, out the country, and Choma for my other school, Namuyanga. That's how it was. But dog, this, I ain't gonna lie, this is probably one of the best Zambian rap songs I done heard in like years, bro. Where niggas like rapping for real, like no cap, bro. This nigga was on this song talking reckless. He addressed some people who were being fake to him. He put a stamp on his city, not his city. He put a stamp on his province, nigga. The nigga said, she said about Copa Fontini, that's a red flag. You know what I'm saying? He put respect on his province. Like, hey, put some respect on our name, bro. You feel me? Don't do that, shorty. It's a banger. This song is 10 out of 10 for me. I ain't gonna lie. This song is 10 out of 10, bro. He was just on here, just the people trying to be on the album, and then even the album cover. This for his album. It's just so raw. Like, this is just so authentic, bro. Like.
Far futa timpo for me na malesi. Fake, yeah, Chris I respect. Kumpa apology, kufpangila kowesi. Look, to the one said I was cancelled. Took a picture of my bomb man. Kwadika PA Friday. Nalimba kwa kalimba.
When did Chef get cancelled? What? I can't cancel my boy.
PA Friday. Nalimba kwa kalimba. Still the team faking. Now workshop on a foot. For the same cause in a foot. Pokolola band kumachushi. No more Mr. Nice, no more Mr. Nice. Feeling bande wish, tell me what's the price. Pampo king a daily, bonfe femi sula. Pampo king a daily,
I didn't even pay attention the whole song to the songs almost over. Pampo king a daily, bonfe femi sula. Like, you guys are poking the bear all day, and I just be ignoring y'all. You feel me? Like, but when I turn up, come on, you feel me? Hey. That boy was on time.
Pettyson Daka, Pettyson Daka. Pettyson Daka, Pettyson Daka. Pettyson Daka, Pettyson Daka. Pettyson Daka, Pettyson Daka.
C Mark on the track.
10 out of 10, bro. 10 out of 10, bro. I'm sorry. somebody gonna have, and this song, 7 months ago, so this dropped this year, bruh. Somebody gonna have to outdo this man this year, gang. Cause I don't think anybody has dropped a better song than this year, bro. Like, hey, J Rocks, Critic, Slap D, I shine them guys. Shirikwe saying, but J Cash, drop something new, bro. Drop something to top this song, cause goddamn, this nigga. That's all I can say.